Hey guys, we're going to Fort Washington.
We're at Starbucks. Cause you know.
You guys can't talk to us until we've had our coffee.
We're gonna go to Starbucks now, and then we're gonna go to Forks.
Yes.
I got an Icetopia with 2.5 pumps of white mocha and vanilla cold foam, and I also got a bacon and Gouda an egg sandwich. But I meant to get a smoked bacon. Oh, do you want this one? No. Are you sure? I don't want that. I don't want it because I tried it before, and I never tried this before, and I wanted to try something new. And also, that's pretty yummy, and I want Miley. I have a pimple sticker right here, but I kind of like stretched it weird. I got blonde vanilla latte with cold foam and caramel and less vanilla pump because I don't like 3 vanilla pumps. I like 2. Oh, and Andy got a bacon sausage wrap.
Oh, I look like a child because I have a freaking bag of chips in my hands. Wait.
We're in Forks now. After driving how long?
What?
3 hours.
It was good. It was chill. Honestly, it was super easy.
You guys made it easy.
Whatever that means.
Like, because I'm with
3,
people that I
2,
love. No!
We're gonna go explore now. In Forks. In Forks.
Bella, where the hell are... Guys, where the hell are we, Luca?
A twilight movie.
Where does this go?
What is this? Guys, there's nothing to do here.
Like, I don't know what people do for fun here.
Like, everything's overpriced and everything is like all about Twilight, I guess.
And the people are creepy.
That's rude.
They're kind of friendly, but it's just kind of like awkward.
He was staring at you guys.
He was staring at this guy. Came up in his car and he was staring at us.
I got this penny. You're beautiful.
Beautiful. This is the skin of a killer, Bella. Okay, keep on.
Okay. She walked in. 3, 2, 1. You're beautiful.
Beautiful. This is the skin of a killer, Bella.
No. What am I? Say it!
Are you a zombie?
No.
A witch?
Say it!
A ogre? What?
That's right. I'm a blood-sucking vampire, Bella. We can't be together. This is for your safety.
I like Jacob anyway.
This is for the better.
Not get that.
Could you do that? Could you do that again, please?
This is all for you.
Hey guys. Ooh. Stop.
I look so pale and you look so warm. Warm tone versus cool tone. That's why she's kissed us.
Hey guys, I actually did not record that much.
I recorded on the focus camera.
I feel like we recorded each other. Maybe I can use your guys' clips too.
I got really cute candids of you guys playing in the water.
Oh shoot.
Oh.
Oh. No, I wanted to cheers.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
So,
We're leaving forks. Yep. We'll update you guys. Bye.
Which one
Bye.
is supposed to go?
Bye.
Bye, babe.
Bye, La Push Baby.
Oh, what the fuck?